Hi guys, welcome to the free automation learning channel and my name is Chirag. So today we are going to discuss how we can handle multiple window in Selenium WebDriver. So guys, you have noticed that in multiple application there are multiple window opens, and how can we handle these windows in Selenium WebDriver. So we will discuss in this video. So first my today let's discuss today agenda. So today agenda is what is window handler in Selenium WebDriver. So basically to work in multiple window, we have a function get window handle and get window handles in Selenium WebDriver. So by using this function we can write our own code and handle those windows. So this is known as a window handler in Selenium. So how to handle multiple window? As I discussed that by using these two methods we can identify our windows, in which window we have to work, and we can easily switch that window, and we can work. Or just what do you mean by work means we have to enter data or anything else we have to verify. We can verify after switching in those windows. So how to switch from one window to another? So Selenium WebDriver give a method switch to. By using switch to method we can easily switch one window to another, and we can have to pass the string. The string means the in window identifier. There is a alpha numerical string, so we have to pass that string in which window we have to work, and we easily switch to. So guys, this is a normally a theory, so you can just listen carefully because this is the important topic of Selenium WebDriver. Interviewer can ask this, how to handle multiple window. It is a basic and general question in interview and while you working in live project. So this multiple window has a good challenge, so you have to uh, listen and watch this video carefully. And if you have any doubt, just please mail me, right? So now let me do a practical. I am going to open my Eclipse and will create a new Java file, which I usually do for my old tutorial. So this is a tutorial 25. I'm using static method and generate comments, right? So guys, for this tutorial I'm going to automate naukri.com, and let me first just do a basic things. Declare a driver and create a new method, which is, you already know, that's method name is setup. Here I am going to invoke Firefox browser. Now maximize my window, driver.manage to window to maximize. Now I have to pass naukri.com URL and have to give the implicit wait, which I have given 30 seconds, and will soon I will discuss the scenario which I am going to discuss with you in this video by using naukri.com. So let me open Firefox and naukri.com. So this is the naukri.com. So let me close Firepath here. So guys, this is a naukri.com, a famous web job portal. portal in India. So I'm going to click on this employer zone, and you can see another video, another window has been opened. So we have to enter username and password for this, right? So this is my scenario in which I am going to handle multiple window. After doing this work, I am again come back to this and search from here, right? So let me copy this URL so that I would pass to my string now, public void handle window would be my method name. So first I'm going to do by simple, then and then I'm going to show you how we can make in live project or in a organization, how we can automate these things, right? So firstly I am giving you a driver dot get window. So just I'm going to what is a window identifier here. This and this. I am simply show you what is a alphanumeric, what is a uh, get window handler, driver dot get title. By using get title we can identify get title. So guys, this is get window handle. This written a string, and it give me a object of this alphanumeric window, you may say window identifier of the current window. So let me this window open, so it give me this window handler, right? Now I'm going to let me show one more thing, size of the window. So this is a driver dot get window dot size. So this is the another method which is known as get window handles. It provide me a set of string. So the difference between in these two method, it provide me a set, and it give me a multiple window identifier, right? But this simple get window provide me only the window identifier of the current window. It does not return me a set, it just return a single value. It returns me a multiple value, right? So here I am just to check the size, and let me give a comment size before click. I'm writing this because you can easily understand what is the difference between this and why we use this window handlers. So let me driver dot by dot x path and dot click. So my scenario would be I have to click on this. Let me open fire path. Just give me here I am going to identify the x path. This would be a text, and here I have created my own x path, right? And I will pass here. Again copy this and just paste this, and this known as after click. So you easily understand what what is this window handlers and window handle method. Now let me create an object for this class so that I can call the method which I have created above. First obj dot setup, second obj dot handle window, right? So I'm going to run this program. You can see that I run this program and Firefox will open soon, and now it navigate to naukri.com. So it is loading now, and it click on employer login requirement, and this is my test. So let me show you. So guys, you can see before this is the window identifier. This is the alphanumeric value, right? By this we can by passing this value or by using this Selenium WebDriver can switch from one window to another window. So this is an important note. You can see interviewer can ask what is a return type or what is a window identifier, how Selenium WebDriver switch to one window to another. So this is the key. By using this key, Selenium WebDriver switch from one window to another. And you can see size before click is 2. It means there would be a 2 window when we just open the naukri.com, and after click there would be a 3 window, because one additional window would be open when we click, right? So I'm just wanted to show you this. Now I'm going to create a method which is a switch window method. In this method I just identify, just let me here I am going to create a new method. By this I just pass the value on which window I want to just switch, and then I just get the current title, this get title, right? So public void switch window. Here I would pass int in which window I want to sorry guys. Yes, I'm talking about I'm going to create a method in which window we have to switch. So I just get this and I convert to array. So guys, I will give you all the code into Git, so you can use this method in your current project if you like this method. And this nothing, I just get all the window handlers, yeah, means all the window identifier I have converted into array, and by indexing I can switch one by one, right? So let me use driver dot switch to method. So by using switch to method we can switch from one window to another. This is one window. So I'm going to typecast here string with win, and here I pass I. So this is the method. Switch window by passing window number. number. Means if I have to pass from one window, then I go to pass one. If I have to pass second window, then I have to pass second, right? So remember, it is a array, so we have to passing by index 0 1 2 3, right? So let me this, and here I have to click and just call this method. First I have to pass 1, means second window, and copy this. After that I have to pass third window, means because we am going to pass by 0 index, so 0 index is my main window, and there is a one window and second window. So let me run this, and you easily get to know what I mean to say, right? So let me run this. So I'm going to run this code. I already run this code. Firefox will open soon, and it is open. Maximize already. Now navigate to naukri.com, and it click on employer login, and now let's see the what would be the output. So guys, you can see this is my main window, means this is the index 0 window, right? And this is the window identifier. Second window is Amazon. There would be any ad. Yes, you can see this, there is a ad for the Amazon. So this would be the second window, Amazon. You can see that the window identifier are different for 3 different window. So by helping this Selenium Webdriver switch from one window to second, and this is a third window, which is known as employer login requirement solution from Naukri, right? So this is the method by which we can pass window number and easily switch. Now I'm going to create a new method. In this we just pass a get title and easily switch from one window to another, right? So let me change string title, and for int I is equal to 1, let me start with 0, I is equal to 0, win dot length minus 1, I plus plus. Here would be the loop. Just copy and go to under a loop. This create a new string variable and pass null here. Now just switch to window. Now I have to get title is equal to driver dot get title. If get title is equal to title, then break the loop, right? So what I'm doing here is just switch window by passing window title, right? So here here is the string parameter will pass by our method, and here I just create a new string variable get title. Here I'm going to identify all window handlers and convert it into the array. Then I just started from a loop, for loop, which started from 0 and go to this array length -1 and plus plus. Then I switch the window and identify the get title. If get title, this actual title is equal to expected title, then it is my window which I want to work on. So here I break this loop, otherwise it go and just switch to another window. And also check the window title. If window title match, then it will break the loop. So this is my logic, right? So let me, and this is the method which we can use in our live project or something. So just let me, I click on this, a new window open. I have to identify this is a username. Firstly, I do not switch anywhere and just want to show you what would be the error when we do not switch window, right? So you can identify or easily understand what is the importance of this window handlers, right? So here I'm not going to use any switch window function method. So the in this I did just click on this. Let me close this. Firstly it will click on this and will enter this, but here I do not switch window, so it will fail. It does not enter the value on this field, right? Let me close or open window. Now save the method and run again. So soon my Firefox browser will open. Yes. So it's click on the login employer, but you can see that it does not enter the value here because we do not switch. And soon it will fail. You can see that, let me expand. You can see that it is a field. It said that names username I am not able to identify, no such element exception occurred. Let me close this, also close this, also close this window. Source code. Just give me a second. I have to identify the login title, right? So just let me open this code again. So that we can easily get SYSO driver get title. What I am doing, I'm going to identify title, right? So that's why I'm going to run, because I did not copy last time when I run the title of the window. Or there is another way to identify. You just go right click on this page, open the page source, and search by title. So this would be the title of the page, right? But here some symbol has been used by the developer, so I'm going to use the title which has begin by this console, right? So let me copy this title and will pass. So I'm going to use switch. Copy this and pass here. Now then click on this and let me close this. So what I am using here, can I use switch window by 2, and sometimes I'm not able to get how many pop-ups or windows open. So at that time I can easily identify by the current title. If current title gets matched, then we can use this method where I am passing a this title. If you already know that a fixed number of windows will open, then you can use this method, right? So at my case there would be a naukri.com would be a, because Amazon is a advertisement, it may comes tomorrow or not, so I am not sure. So that's why I created a new method in which title I have to pass. I have passed this title, and then if the title matches in 3 of one of the windows, then it switch and enter this HCL HR team text, right? So I'm going to run this code now. So soon Firefox will open with the naukri.com URL, and it click on Amazon employer zone. It has been clicked and you have seen that HCL HR team has been entered by the Selenium WebDriver. When I do not use this method, then the error has been occurred. But now when I switch to window method, then you can see this HCL HR team has been entered by the Selenium WebDriver. So guys, this is our purpose of the window handlers, how we can handle multiple window by using this method. I will commit this code into a Git. You can download from there or clone that code, and by using these two methods you can easily switch any type of window. If you have any comment or any query, you can mail me or just post a comment below this video. And if you like this video, please press like button, and if you want to subscribe my channel, please go ahead and subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video, and that's for now. And